my teeth are looking so yellow. That's not cute. Hello, hi again, it's me. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If everything looks kind of like shifty, I'm filming this from my iPad because my phone ran out of space. Hopefully the quality is like better in some way, I don't know, I'm trying really hard. Anyways, if you clicked on this video, we've gathered here today to say goodbye to a vibe, an era, a movement, a wave, a look. I am taking out my split dye box braids. My braids have grown out so much. Do you see that? Do you see all of that new growth right there? I've had this style in since last year when I posted my video. So many of you loved it, so thank you so much for showing me so much support on that video. Yeah, it's time to take this mop out because honestly, it's so painful. My braids have grown out so much. Everything it just hurts so bad, and I can't do it anymore. It needs to be off my head. I don't know if I'll do this style again because I kind of wanted to try something else, but we'll see. We'll see where it goes. I'm not gonna put any like time lapses in the video because I feel like that's just really long and redundant because I already know like what's going on. Like I'm just taking out my braids, it's nothing crazy. I don't cut through them, I just take them out from the very bottom. So I just comb along the ends and then take them out with my hands and then wash and store the hair for later. I have a couple of videos on that, so if you wanted to see that, go ahead and click a couple of the links in the description box that I will place down below. If not, then just stay here. Only difference with taking out my braids this time is that I bought some detangling spray from the ethnic food store in my city because the braids like on my perimeter, particularly like around my ear and like the base of my neck, buildup tends to be very hard to like break off with my fingers or comb through with a comb. So rather than rip my hair out by the root, I'm just gonna spray some detangler on it and see what happens. I washed my hair a couple weeks ago was the last time I washed it, maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago. It's always important never to wash your hair before taking out your braids because then it just like tangles. And who is texting me? Oh my god. All right, let me just put my phone on silent. I'm so tired of hearing those notifications. Not to wash your hair before because it just, all of the knots just tangle up and they mat up and it just gets very difficult. You know how it is, so we won't even go there. Yeah, I'm gonna start the takedown process right now. It's about 2:15 in the afternoon. I'm going to start kind of in like the middle section because that's where I feel like a majority of the tiny braids are. From there, I will work my way around because like at least if I hold it up in the middle, if I take out the middle, then I could always just put my hair up in a ponytail to cover whatever needs to be covered in case I need to like run any errands or go anywhere. For supplies, I have comb, I have a couple of clips to clip my hair back, my detangling spray, some hair elastics, and my handy dandy trash can. That is going to be my task for the next couple of days, is just taking out my braids and washing my hair and then doing a length check. Next time I record, I'll just hop back on to show you how far I've gotten. If I'm looking over here, I'm just looking in the viewfinder to make sure I'm actually in frame, so I'm so sorry. Next time I come back, I'll just be checking in with you guys just to show you how far I've gotten, where I'm at, how long it's taking, this, that, and the third, and whatever, and any other thoughts that I'm having during this tedious and somewhat treacherous process of taking out my braids and maintaining the lion's mane that is my hair. Can you see the pain in my eyes? I'm gonna be awake for the next 3 days. I'm gonna get started and hopefully the next clip will be something productive. I don't know, something. Okay, bye. Hi there, how's it going? These are the lengths that I have to go to take out my braids when I'm on a busy schedule. My little sister does competitive gymnastics, so she has practice 4 times a week for 4 hours, like almost every other day. So I am in my mom's car.
I'm in my mom's car.
I'm in my mom's car, waiting for her to finish practice and taking out my braids. This wasn't the life that I chose for myself. I didn't ask for any of this. Hey, okay, hey guys, so it's currently 10 minutes to 5 a.m. I actually got through a whole bunch of the takedown a lot faster than I thought that I would. This is how far I got. So we have this tiny little section here to finish up. My eye is looking so red on the inner corner because I'm just absolutely exhausted. My hair feels really light and fluffy. Oh my goodness. It just feels so good getting these braids out because it feels like my head is like so much lighter. Spent 2 hours taking those out, and then I had to drive my little sister to practice. Only able to take out my hair for like another hour, so that's a total of 3 hours so far. And I got home at about 9:30. 9:30, so a total of 11-ish or so hours. I'm sure I could bang this out in like maybe another 2 or 3 hours sometime tomorrow. So these are all the strands that I've taken out so far. You can only imagine how heavy this was on my head. My head feels so light. My hair is actually surprisingly clean. It's just my scalp that's looking like a little bit dry for the most part. I love the detangler that I've been using because I feel like it's been moisturizing my hair, keeping it nice and silky. And I just put it into like these little flat twists so that way I can keep the sections together and not have it like tangle up and stuff when I'm doing the other side. My hair is getting so long. It's actually the bottom parts here pretty much go down to my nipples now. So that's exciting. The front of my hair is so long. I can't wait to wash her, blow her out, straighten her a little bit, and then see what we're working with. I'm tired. I really want to go to sleep. Going to do that. I'm gonna go to bed right now, and hopefully I wake up not so late in the afternoon and take care of the rest of this so that I can just be done with it. Yeah, I'm gonna go to bed now and tackle the rest today. I almost said tomorrow. It's already tomorrow. I'm tired. Okay, good night. Good morning. Or should I say good afternoon. It is 3:30, 3:27, 3:30. 3:30 in the afternoon. I woke up a couple of times but then decided, no, I'm tired. I want to go back to bed. I was tired, so I decided to sleep in, and now it's 3:30. This is how I had my hair last night. I just wrapped it in a little bit of a do-rag. All I have left is just this section right here, so let me take this down so I can show you guys. Also, how fun are these pajamas? It's got ears on it, you know, because that's fun. It's fun and fresh, and I love it. It's just this section up here in the front. This is all I have left to do today. I am going to tackle this, and then after that I will come back, take everything down, and then wash and shampoo, blow dry, straighten, the whole shebang, carry on from there. But first, I need to figure out breakfast or lunch. I gotta get something to eat because I'm hungry. I also drank like so much water last night, so I'm feeling very, 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 very hydrated, but also like bloated and like parched at the same time. I don't know how that works. I'm gonna tackle this today, gonna get something to eat, and then I'll come back and show you guys. So stay tuned. All right, so it's pretty close to 9:30 now. I took out all of my braids. This is what we are working with. I got detangler on my chair. Yes, I'm still wearing the same clothes that I wore yesterday to take out my braids because I don't feel like it's necessary to dirty more than one shirt during the takedown process. I am going to prep for showering, so I'm just going to take out all of these twists, comb through it a little bit just to detangle. My hair feels great. It's still like super soft and everything, so I love that. But the detangler that I got is Afro, Sheen, Velvet Flow, 4-in-1 leave-in detangler and curl refresher. So this is the bottle. My nails look so gross. This might be TMI, but I'm just gonna show you guys the amount of hair that came out. Keep in mind that some of this is mixed in with like the synthetic braiding hair, so not all of it is mine. So this is how much hair I had. So typically with like every braid that I took out, this is the amount of hair that came out, which is again normal for me.
A few minutes later.
I'm just going to finish detangling all the other sections and then I'll come back. Also, what I want to say is that I have switched to using silk scrunchies instead of standard hair ties, just because I find that the silk feels better on my hair and it doesn't like tug on it when I take it out. And when you just pull it out, it just slides out easily, like there's no grip. As you can see, there's like no hair on the scrunchie. Don't want breakage. Just another pro tip. From one 4C babe to another. I'll probably come back like after my hair is all wet from like the shower or whatever, so that way I can show you guys how much shrinkage plays me. I'll be back. I feel like no matter what I do, I will always look like Corbin Bleu in his Disney Channel days. Like when he was in Jump In, High School Musical, Flight 29 Down. I don't know. No matter what I do, no matter how long my hair gets, shrinkage will just always play me. I feel like that's just a fact at this point. I used this shampoo. It's the Redken 5th Avenue NYC Extreme Length Shampoo with Biotin. So this one over here. I also have it as a conditioner. It's just the Redken 5th Avenue NYC Clean Maniac. I can't read. Clean Maniac Hair Cleansing Cream. Clarifying Vent Shampoo for all hair types. That's what it looks like there. I think I'm gonna blow out my hair here in the bathroom just because my window to my bedroom is frozen shut, so I can't open it to get like any airflow, and then all of like the smoke and whatever is gonna be in my room. I'm gonna choke and die. This is like the very base of my hair here, so it goes down to there. I'm so excited about this. It feels great, but my fingers are all wrinkly because I was in the shower for a long time. I'm just gonna use the shirt that I took my braids out in and just put that on my head to dry my hair off. Oh no, I don't know what I was trying to accomplish. I'm gonna go eat dinner. If I have anything else to add, then I will be back to keep you updated. Right, that took a little while, but my hair is all washed and blown out now. For blowing it out, I just used my paddle brush, my hair dryer, and this heat protectant 5th Avenue Thermal Setting Mist. I'll be honest, I don't really like it. It made my hair like all sticky. The handle of my brush is all sticky, and then the side of my, like this is all of the product right there, and you can see how it just like tarnished the bristles of my hairbrush. I don't like that. To get rid of the stickiness, I just used my almond drops. It's just like a hair oil. Right now, I just let my flat iron heat up. It's got titanium blades, and I'm heating it to 440. Sorry, I can't read. Oh wait, that's so cute. Isn't that a cute hairstyle? Let me stop. Just gonna do the chase method again. Hopefully not burn myself. Oh, I don't want to burn myself. Wait, what? Oh my god. So long. I'm gonna be so excited about this. I'm sorry, you're not gonna see me stop going like this entire video. I don't think you guys understand. Like, my hair has never been this long in my life. Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Okay, I'm gonna stop talking and just finish the rest of this. So one thing, sorry, this is my last comment and then I'll stop talking, promise. One thing I always make sure that I do is I always make sure that I give myself a little trim, because I don't know about y'all, but I haven't been to a hair salon in maybe 10 plus years, personally, because I don't trust people when it comes to my hair. I don't. I feel like every time I go in there for like a trim, they're just cutting off too much. I don't know why you're doing all that. It's fine. Just like snip off the tiny ends. Don't cut an entire 2 inches off my hair. I already have problems trying to get it to grow long. I just feel like it's so unnecessary. This is the first section of my hair, totally straight. I definitely do feel like some ends in there that I definitely have to cut. Yeah, they're looking a little like that. So I'm definitely gonna have to cut those little bits off. Wait, let me just, how long does it get to when I turn around? Oh my gosh, it's like almost to the middle of my back. And I like, oh, wow. Wow. Okay. All right, I'm done being like, no, I'm not done being excited. I'm just gonna come back when I straighten the rest of this, finish off the video like that. I'm sorry, I'm like so excited about this. I'll see you guys in the next clip. Hey, here she is. Hair all straight-ish for the most part. I did the best that I could given circumstance. This side, for whatever reason, like it always stays like super fluffy, and this side always straightens like the best. I don't know why. She's long, she's luscious. Oh my god, I'm so in love. It's so long. Who is she? Wait, why do I look so skinny? Hello? This is so awkward. Oh my god. I look skinny. What? Oh, this is so much fun. Okay, good night. Hi guys, so it's actually a different day now, and I decided to take another attempt at straightening my hair again. I don't know what it was. I think I was just kind of having like an off day, and I was probably just like super tired with like the takedown process and then washing and then blow drying and all of that. I think it actually came out better this time. So this is what we're looking at. The front is usually like always more silky smooth than the back, I would say, but she feels great and she's long. Yeah, I just wanted to kind of like refilm this portion because I think I just wasn't looking too cute in the last one. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you liked the video, like, comment, and subscribe. If you didn't like the video, like, comment, and subscribe anyways. You can follow me on my Instagram, my Twitter, my TikTok accounts. Those will be flashed on the screen and also in the description box down below. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one.